This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Minnesota is going to get 6 to 12 inches of snow. Possibility 12 plus inches of snow in Minnesota on late Monday night into Tuesday. People in Minnesota, be prepared. The snowfall is going to be up to 30 centimeters of snow in Minnesota. It's going to be around 12 plus inches of snow in Minnesota. People in Minnesota, be prepared because it's going to be a lot of snow and very strong winds and everything. The same snowstorm is going to affect North Dakota, South Dakota, Chicago, Illinois, and all those places because it's going to be a lot of snow in Minnesota. People in Minnesota, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready, have your winter jackets ready, hats and gloves and scarves and ski pants is ready because it's going to be a lot of snow in Minnesota. People in Minnesota, take caution. Have your snow blowers ready, have your snow shovels ready, have your snow scoops ready. Have your snow plows ready because it's going to be a 6 to 12 inches of snow in Minnesota. Possibility 12 plus inches of snow in Minnesota. People in Minnesota, order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Don't wait till last minute. Do it right now. Because it's going to be a major snowstorm. It's going to hit Minnesota on Monday, March 4th, 2013. Into March the 5th, 2013. In the morning. And the snowstorm is set to hit Minnesota on Monday, March the 4th during late evening. Then on Tuesday, March 5th, 2013, it's going to be a stormy conditions in Minnesota. And blowing snow and drifting snow and visibility near zero. And main streets will be covered with snow and side streets will be covered with snow. People in Minnesota, do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till the last minute. Do it right now. Because it's going to be a major snowstorm to hit Minnesota. Lots of snow and strong winds. Reduced visibility. Be very careful driving on the highway during the snowstorm. And on city streets. You have to be very careful driving on streets in Minnesota on Monday night and Tuesday. On January the 3rd. That's long gone now. On Monday, March 4th, 2013. During the late night. On Tuesday, March 5th, 2013. It's going to be a snowing up Minnesota. And Minnesota has been hit by a couple of snowstorms in January and February. And even in December. As well. It's going to be a 12 plus inches of snow in Minnesota on Monday, March 4th, 2013. In the evening until Tuesday, March 5th, 2013. It's going to bring lots of snow and strong winds in Minnesota. When the power goes out, have your iPads charged, have your cell phones charged, have your iPods charged, have your iPhones charged. Have your mobile internet ready, have your 3G internet ready. Because it's going to be a powerful snowstorm to hit Minnesota on Monday night and Tuesday. Best of luck to you. People in Minnesota, be prepared for a major snowstorm on Monday, March the 4th, 2013. Good luck and stay safe. People in Minnesota, you'll be very careful out there. Take care.